Hey, thanks for stopping by. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started on Amazon KDP. If you're not familiar with Amazon KDP, it's essentially a free service that Amazon offers where you can create your own books and content, and you upload your books and images to that, and then somebody orders it off Amazon.com, and the whole process is done for you. They create the books, they send it out, you reap the rewards. It is really an awesome service. I encourage everyone to open an Amazon KDP account because once you create all the content and upload your books and everything, it is 100% passive income. You have the ability to run ads, but essentially it is 100% passive income. So I have been super lazy and I've got roughly 117 books on my Amazon KDP, and I did that for I did that maybe it took me maybe 4 months to create those, and I haven't really been creating any since. But some months I'll make $50, some months I'll make 20, other months I might make $4 or $5, which is it's awesome. Any money I make is 100% passive, and you have the ability to do that. And keep in mind, I don't do ads or anything. So the where you make the money is where you spend money on ads. But I don't do that. I just don't want to do that. I'd rather earn less money and not have to spend any money and let everything just kind of flow. So, you know, I hope you enjoy this video. So it is really simple. I'm going to give you the basic version of this, and later on I'll do more advanced videos on what specifically you need to do, but this is kind of just the dip your toe in the water, get used to it, maybe get rid of some of those fears you might have. Alright, so the first thing that you need with to get started on Amazon KDP is a Gmail account. So, well, an email account in general. I prefer Gmail, so you go to gmail.com, sign up for an account. Once you have your account, go to canva.com. Canva is a free service that I absolutely love, and you sign in with your email account, Gmail if that's what you prefer. And once you're in there, you have the ability to create content. More so book covers, because let's say you're doing low content books, which low content books are like notebooks and, you know, books that don't really have much in them. You have the ability to download some uh, free internal uh, items from websites, which I'll show you in other videos. So essentially, I just download the free ones, create my covers here, and then upload them to Amazon KDP. It's really as simple as that. You you should do it. So once you're in Canva, you just click create a design, and then once you know your size that you have to make, and like I said, I'll create other videos with more specific ones later on. So let's just hypothetically say I need a book that is 17 by 17 inches, and you just hit create design. And let's see, let's go with animals. So let's do photos. Let's see, what kind of animals do we want to do? Maybe bugs or something too. Let's do elephants. Oops, do elements actually, and then elephants. So let's say you like elephants and want to create an elephant notebook with a cover. So this is a cute one. So let's throw one in there, and let's say we'll have to play with the background color a little bit, but you choose your color here. Let's do something like that, pink, and then adjust your size that you want. So Canva's nice because it tells you pretty much, where it's centered. Um, let's do this. Just to make it a little more easier, I will show you this part, lines. So actually do squares. And then I want to do this. Actually, not that square. Let's do this one. Nope. This one. So one that you can adjust easily like this. So this will be the spine of the book. So it's roughly centered, just about. Spine there. And you'll have to play with it quite a bit. I'm just giving you the basics so you just have a general idea. And let's do something like this. Actually, not that square. We'll do this one again. I don't have my elements down, but you get the gist of how it's going down. So let's see. A nice way to do it is you copy that, Control C, Control V, you get another one. Boom, you got another one. Control V again, another one there. Let's do this one here and that one there. So I like to just copy all three. So you shift that, Control C, Control V, and it creates another one. And boom. Let's go up a little more. Control V again, get another set. And there's ways to align them and make them more, just look better in general. And we'll get one more. So match this up. So send those to the back, send those back, and obviously this is just really quick. I'm just giving you the rough draft of how to do it. And once you figure out the text that you want, but we'll just do 60 font there and composition notebook. And you just have to play around with it. You adjust the font size, everything, and obviously I would center that and everything, but this is it. That's literally how you make a cover for your book. And you can go to websites and that offer free internal pages. They typically offer 100 pages, which I'll go later on in videos and show you where to get those and how to create them in here. But literally this is how you do it. And you could make it easier on yourself. Just copy all of these, the elephants that you have, Control C, Control V, and do the exact same thing over there. And literally you upload it to Amazon KDP and that's it. Now you gotta make them really nice because the competition is extremely tough on Amazon. There's so many people doing this. But the next step would be going to Amazon KDP, and it would be kdp.amazon.com. Then you would sign up here. Once you get everything verified, I think they ask for your bank account because if you get any sales, all that good stuff. And that's literally how you start earning passive income. Now there is something that I do want to say, and this might piss off some of you. This might, you might understand this, but please do not fall for the scheming people on the YouTube videos, because you'll see that they always say, oh, made like $100 here, made $500 a day selling low content books. You're not going to do that much. You're not going to do that. And especially look at their old videos, and they'll take down their older videos so you can't really catch them. But there are people that just take screenshots of what other people have, manipulate them, and then post like they're getting sales. You are not doing $300, $500, $1,000 a book, like a day, in low content books. There is just too much competition. Is it possible? Yes. I follow some people that actually do it, but they've been doing it for years. They spend a lot of money in ads and they make phenomenal covers. Do not be deceived by the shady ones who just start out and then boom, post, oh, made, $800 selling this one low content book. It's not going to happen. It is a time game, and you need to do good work. I mean, just don't be deceived, please. But overall, this is how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It it is really simple. And obviously this is an ugly book cover. This isn't an official one I would upload, but I just wanted to make you aware how easy it is. Don't be afraid. Sign up, do it. You would just waste your time. You're not, it's not going to cost you money. Canva is free, emails are free, and then signing up for Amazon KDP is also free. So try it out. I hope to hear from you, and have a good one. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.